gonna be on James Corden tonight. I'm supposed to just do one song, but I'm gonna give like 3. I'm gonna do like a melody snippet and kind of just play 3 snippets of songs from the new album. You know what else I'm working on too? I thought this idea like kind of do like, they used to do these things called zines and like old fan clubs where it's like a magazine of the artists that they fucked with and like behind the scenes photos and like things that were going on. So I was kind of like working on that, like just like all the logos I didn't use, certain like song lyrics that I'm like explaining, you know what I mean? I got a skit with Pete on there that I just, you know, just little things that I kind of just explain or just like, you know, behind the scenes photos and things like, you know, just like write what was going on. Those will be available to buy like next week. I think it's basically just like you pre-order the album and you can pre-order those and like the CD will come in the back of it. Damn, what was I gonna show y'all? Oh wait, real quick, since I just need opinions real quick, because before I go on Corden, I was just gonna paint my nails, and you know I got that Undone Nail company, so I got like some new ones I'm gonna try out. Should I fuck with this one? I feel like this and this, it's like a pink set. I got like a new pink I'm trying out. It's like a fluorescent pink. This shit's also kind of baller. It's like a gumball machine. And then there's these fluorescents, which I dig, but they don't really match the aesthetic of what the thing is tonight. Oh, yo, you know what else is kind of fire? Oh, that's hard. You get these hoodies if you pre-order the album on the website. I think the link's in my bio, but these are low-key crazy fire. Sorry, I forgot how to put on clothes. Hold on. Shaw. I think the boys got these on too. Hold on. What up, Doc? What's good? Oh, yeah. Yeah. We gotta take these out to the light. Oh, yeah. Wrong way where? The bar's right here. I dig James Corden's show because he has...
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Can I get you some?
Yeah, could I have this on ice, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Oh wait, you know what? Could I just get that on ice? I'll be right back to grab it. Hold on. I just thought of something. Yo, Olivia, let me see your phone. Oh. I'm gonna hide it from you.
Hello?
Yo, Max, hold on 1 second. I gotta put him on mute. So like on this paper is all these old album covers. And I did this on the last album where I switched the album cover like last minute. And I'm gonna do the same thing again. Yo, Max.
What? Yo, what's up?
Hey, kind of share something with you that I'm like, I have a gut feeling on that's like, I got to do that you're not going to fuck with.
Okay, I'm a little scared. Go for it.
I got to reshoot the album cover.
Well, you shot 5 album covers so far. We don't really have time to shoot another one. When are you shooting this?
Well, I thought I have until the album has to be turned in to do. When does the album have to be turned in?
You have until Monday. Like, drop dead has to be Monday, period.
Then I'm gonna have a new cover by Monday.
Look, as long as you have a Monday, we can make it work. Let's have a lot of covers for this.
Yeah, but the vinyl has its own cover. The CDs have their own cover. The tape cassettes have their own cover, and like the UK and other certain areas have their own cover. So it really, to me, it makes it like way more special for the fans because the physical copies will be like their own artifacts because they have different versions of covers, and the digital cover will be its own. I just want a new digital cover.
Look, as long as it's turned by Monday, you can make it work. I think it's a really cool idea. It's something you never see.
Okay, say less. So you'll have one on Monday.
All right, sounds good, man.
Okay. 6th album cover on the way. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should we take a flick in the hoodies? Can you tell Olivia to bring her phone real quick? Yeah, Randy, check me out. Check me out.
We play no game. We play no game. Everybody got a
You know why else I like James Corden's office or show? Is because he has a helipad.
We play no game.
It's pretty hard. Which one has the? Oh yeah.
Let's be back real quick. You got you, bro. Sit down.
This is my favorite thing to do. Is like when you see these signs, is you just stop and you just. To me, it's like when you post these signs up, it's almost like you're asking for it.
That's kind of hard. I can't lie.
You'll be okay. Okay, so this is my idea for new album cover. Is okay, well, so like the vinyl, I'm already printing the vinyl right now. So the vinyl has its own cover, which is really cool. And the CDs have their own cover. But what I'm thinking for the digital cover is just like me against a wall and people throwing tomatoes at me. That's the idea. You can let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna shoot it anyway, and that'll most likely be the cover. But for those who want the other covers, just get the vinyl and the CD. You know what's interesting about the vinyl and the CD is I want one. The vinyl has more songs than the digital one, so it has like a bonus song. But the other thing is I want you guys to list off all the differences you hear in the songs between what comes on streaming for like digital and what's on the actual album, because I had to submit the album one while we were still like working through mixes and order all this. I don't want to tell you all the differences, but you should just listen to them and write a list of the difference between the streaming version of Mainstream Sellout and the CD version / vinyl version. Also, you can feel free to just comment a bunch of tomatoes, because I saw a bunch of tomato emojis, and I feel like tomatoes would be a sick emoji to represent this album campaign. I don't know why, but after seeing the tomato emojis right now, I really dig the tomato vibe. And I just like the self-deprecation of Mainstream Sellout, because the whole world has their own opinions. Many choose to love and plenty choose to hate. So fuck them, let's join in on the joke. I also have a new guitar idea that I want to show you guys right now, and you guys can tell me if you like it or not. Randy, how do you feel about me switching the album cover every other day?
It's driving me crazy, yo. It's driving me crazy. Yo.
2 albums in a row, it's been like this, dude. It's a tradition.
Listen, you are a creative person who loves you. I respect you because you respect your shit. So, but you, Max, how does Max feel?
He's not happy. Okay, wait. I want to show you the guitar idea. Okay, so what if... What? That's hard. Look at the Do Not Disturb sign. Yeah. We'll be on tonight's show. I'll give you some previews of some other songs someone performing. But check this out. Okay. Look, this is the idea. Can you just hand me those letters? Okay. So, right. Hand me the pink guitar. Okay. So this is the Tickets to My Downfall model that we came out with, right? It's the Schecter joint. This is in stores and guitar centers and all that, actually. And the only thing missing is the Sharpie writing of I'm selling tickets to my downfall. So this is the Tickets guitar. I like the chrome guitar that I had like sampled and shown, but I'm pretty indecisive. So like now I think it should be the same pink vibe, but chrome. But I also like this too, like the black joint with the, you know, I wish you could see this. It's like a pink marble XX on the 12th fret. It's pretty hard. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking for this era, for this guitar. We put the word sellout on the neck. Right? Huh. Let's see how that is. Wait, Olivia, can you just hold it, but then don't reveal like the journal thing that I'm working on?
Yeah, like hold this over.
Yeah, right here. I can just turn these papers upside down. Yeah. All right, can you see it?
Yeah.
All right, which one should I do? This one or this one? I feel like it's this one. But comment 1 if it should be the sparkly one, or comment 2 if it should be this like fluorescent color changing one.
2.
It's 2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the people have spoken. You know what's good about you guys saying that anyway was because this one has 2 letters for each and this one doesn't, so we wouldn't have been able to
I bought 2 of those.
sell out anyway. No, there's no S on here.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Wait, I need to spell it. I don't know how to spell it. S-E-L-L-O-U-T. S-E-L-L. Wait, S-E-L-L-O-U-T. Okay. Ah! No. Oh, God. Is this going to stick on, like, TV? Dude, this is going to be fucking sick. I'm just scared these are gonna like come loose.
Should we hot glue it?
But hot glue is gonna make it like thick, and I don't want it to interfere with the playing. Dude, that's tough. Wait, yo, Adam, could you tell the boys to come look at this?
Yeah.
Oh, someone's gonna put top coat on it. Like top coat.
Oh yeah, but we don't have top coat here. But yes, it's a great idea. Fuck, that looks so sick.
Want to put exclamation point?
Do we have exclamation
Yeah.
points? Yes, definitely.
Right there.
I don't care if it's straight anyway. Yes, dude. That's hard. Oh, dude, that's for sure the vibe of this era. Sell out on the guitar. What did I just do?
Do you want to flip it?
I think I like turned the camera off. What did I just do? God damn it. Did I turn the camera off?
No, it's working.
But how do I do it where I can like flip it back again? Because I like.
I don't know.
Okay, well, whatever.
They went to both up together.
Yo, Willow, can I show you this? I'm on live. Do you care?
Live?
Yeah.
Instagram live? Hey, everyone!
Do you like this? Look what I just did.
I fuck with this. Is this
Yes, this is the new vibe. You see it?
Wait, this is the new guitar.
Yes, but I just added these letters,
Stickers?
dude.
Yo, this is amazing.
That's just fine.
Kinda
You should
tough.
just make it like this.
I know. I had to just sample it and see if it would work though.
Too, bro.
You should totally make it like this.
Yes.
I want one at this point.
Okay.
Please.
Sick.
Please.
Hello. Good. How are you? Wait, Joe, are they in there?
No.
They're not. Oh, they left. Bro, isn't this sick?
That's fucking dope. You want me to take a picture of it?
And the light too,
Crazy.
dude. This is so cool. We should make it in like marble pink,
Well, we can get
like
it
mother
this.
of pearl pink.
We could do
That's
this.
what I'm saying.
put
Get it like
here.
that. Yes.
Yeah.
Is this gonna interfere with the playing tonight on
I'm gonna put
TV?
strings on right now. You can feel it out. How about that?
Let's try it. Yeah.
Cause that's fucking.
That shit's
Bro.
tough, dude.
That's crazy.
What up, Brian? That's hard, right?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's the new vibe.
It's chrome.
Kinda.
I think it'll last.
I just think like
It'll last for like this 4 minutes.
it'll last for the performance
But-
tonight at least.
But we're gonna do this.
Cause like I liked the chrome guitar, but I don't ever want to ditch the pink. Like we should have it be like chrome pink.
Right.
You know, hey Dre, this is how we should have them make the guitar like this.
Take a picture of
Yeah.
this.
I'm gonna send Anna.
Yeah. I know it.
Cause I just feel like pink is our thing. You know what I mean?
Even with the accent.
Gotta keep that forever. We gotta own pink.
Wait, Trey.
Hey, can I see a lighter, Joe? Can I see a lighter, Brian? You smoke cigs. Oh, you stopped? Congratulations. I'll keep doing it for you.
Digital shit.
What do you say?
Is it gonna be backwards on TV?
Is it going to be backwards on TV?
I don't know. She just asked.
Oh, is it? I don't know. Whatever. It's okay. People on here will spread the word at least. They'll know what it is. Don't forget. Okay, wait. I do want to say this. Starting tomorrow is like 1 month left until Mainstream Sellout comes out. Let's sprint to the finish line. Week 1 isn't even just the goal. Week 5, week 7, week 8, like all the way up through the rest of the year. Like you guys kept tickets going as the longest charting album I've ever had. It was like there's some, I forgot what the other fact is, like the longest, highest charting rock album or something. I forgot what it was. Some sick shit that y'all achieved. So let's do the same thing. I forgot who they said our competition was for that week. God bless them. But we all know what to do. Let's turn the fuck up. It's our time. These hoodies are available if you pre-order the album now. I put the link in my Instagram bio. We will be coming out with that, with the magazine that I was talking about. I think we're dropping that next week. We're I'm dropping some shit just for you guys next week, and next Friday we'll be dropping something else for the album, from the album. What else? Tonight on Corden we're doing some snippets of new stuff. What else? Oh, dude, I don't know what you guys' summer is looking like, and I'm not gonna announce it right now, but the tour is this summer, and I'm not gonna say dates, but it's like June to August. We're gonna announce it in an epic way, but I just have to put that out there, dude. Fuck that. Some people need to clear their schedules. We're taking this back across, this back across America, then going over to Europe, then going to down under, then Asia 2023, I think they said. So Europe and US, we're seeing you this year. I can't wait to announce the album package of who is on, or the tour package of who is on this tour. It's going to be insane. The last day of the tour, where we're ending it, is going to be insane. Just I want to call out certain magazines and journalists who are constantly going against us, but we won't give them our energy. All the energy goes to those who have love for us and are supporting us, and really it's on you guys' voice to just keep this rocking in the way that we've been doing for the past 2 years and the 8 years before that. It's our time, man. Mainstream sellout era in full effect. I'm super excited. Next time we get on live, I'll play some songs from the album so we can get you guys more excited. But next week is a week for you guys. Tonight with these snippets, it's just us having fun, and it's for you guys. Protect the energy. Don't give the haters any of it. Keep our energy pure, how we've been keeping it. It's so important. You know, I learned something yesterday when I was in therapy. They said that you as a human being is like a tuning fork, right? And there's this thing called sympathetic resonance, where whatever your frequency is, everything around you is gonna vibrate to that same frequency. So if we stoop to some of the level that these haters want us to stoop to, that's what we're gonna receive. Let's not do that. Like if you're playing a G note on the piano and the guitar is near the piano, the G string on the guitar is gonna vibrate in that same frequency. So let's just keep that in our heads as we go into this. Like vibrate on a high frequency, a positive frequency, and one that's just like gracious and happy to be here 6 albums later. This is Some Things in My Teeth classic. But yes, here's something in my teeth. That's really embarrassing. I'm gonna finish out this speech like this, and just stay positive. Don't worry about anything else. I'm not worried about it. I am worried about it sometimes. It gets to me sometimes, but I just look to you guys whenever I do start getting in my head. So just know that I see whatever you guys are saying and doing, and that's my coping mechanism. It's really annoying that I have something in my teeth, especially like saying epic therapeutic bars. Wish I didn't have something in my teeth. Maybe I'll just talk like this. I can just finish how to speak like this. You know, I really do love you, and I just want to have a good time. It's a good month, and I'm gonna go get whatever's in my teeth out. I love you.